How to find hidden apps on Samsung phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find hidden apps on your Samsung phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and after that tap on the gear icon to open your settings. Now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as home screen. And here, once you are inside the home screen, scroll down again and tap on hide apps on home and app screens. And this will open up a list of all the apps on your device. But at the very top, you'll see any apps that are currently hidden. And right now in my case Chrome and the Daily Hunt is hidden. And here if you want to unhide an app, just tap on the minus icon next to it and tap done, and that's it. That's how you can find hidden apps on Samsung phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.